Are you ready to unlock the secrets of ChatGPT? Let's dive in. Ever wondered how to get the most out of ChatGPT? Allow me to introduce you to the Art of Asking ChatGPT for high-quality answers. This isn't just any guide. It's a comprehensive journey through practical explanations, real-world examples, and tried-and-true prompt formulas. It's been updated with the latest GPT-4 and ChatGPT plugins, ensuring you're getting the most current, on-point advice. No fluff, no jargon, just straight-to-the-point know-how. Explore the power of ChatGPT with this book. The aim? To make you a master of ChatGPT without the need for memorizing any formulas. You see, this book strips away the overwhelming complexity of AI and distills it into simple, understandable principles. It's about understanding the underlying mechanisms that drive ChatGPT. It's about getting you to the point where you can use any version of ChatGPT effectively, regardless of its iteration. This book is not a collection of formulas or a cheat sheet to success. It's a guide to developing a deep and practical understanding of how to generate high-quality answers from ChatGPT. Once you comprehend these principles, you'll realize there's no need for thousands of formulas, just the right principles. What exactly will you learn from this book? Well, allow me to give you a sneak peek. This book is your toolbox, brimming with various prompt engineering techniques. It's like a master key, unlocking a realm where you can control the output of ChatGPT, the state-of-the-art language model. It's not magic, but it surely feels like it when you can generate text tailored to your specific needs. Imagine being able to ask the right questions, in the right way, and receiving high-quality human-like text in return. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Now let's add some more flavor to it. We've also included examples of how to mix and match different prompt techniques to achieve even more specific outcomes. It's like cooking, but instead of ingredients, we're using prompts. Through this book, you'll learn to harness the full potential of ChatGPT, making it your personal wordsmith. Learn to control and tailor the output of ChatGPT to your needs. Ready to tap into the power of ChatGPT? This book, The Art of Asking ChatGPT for High-Quality Answers, is your key. Don't approach it seeking confirmation of what you already know. Instead, seize the learning opportunities it presents. Let it guide you through the art of prompt engineering, demonstrating how to tailor ChatGPT's output to your distinct needs. It's not about memorizing thousands of formulas, it's about understanding the underlying principles. This book simplifies the complex with practical examples and clear explanations. Let it be your compass in the vast sea of artificial intelligence. So, what are you waiting for? Unlock the potential of ChatGPT. Get your copy of The Art of Asking ChatGPT for high-quality answers today. Wait. Order your copy of The Art of Asking ChatGPT for high-quality answers now, and master the art of prompt engineering.